Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to swap the background of your videos on YouTube Shorts. So just tap on the YouTube app, tap on the plus icon, create a short, and before you start recording, you just have to tap on the green screen icon, and here you can choose anything from your gallery to add it as your video background. You can add an image like this, or you can even add a video to be the background of your YouTube short video. It's pretty meta, but it's a very cool feature. So here you can choose the video that you would like to add. For example, this magic video that I've recorded. Then you just have to tap on the next icon when you have chosen the video. And now, as you can see, it is going to place it behind my hands or my face, whatever I'm recording. And when I start recording, the background video also starts playing, and I can show anything on the image. I can show that here is this iPad that I'm going to turn into a paper, and then make the paper disappear, make the iPad come back, then everything disappears. And this is how you can react to a video very easily. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.